So before we go ahead and remove the bolt on the motor mount, I'm going to go ahead and use a jack and a piece of wood. And we're going to put it underneath the front portion of the oil pan. I'm going to be careful because obviously we don't want to crush it, but you just want to put enough of pressure on that just to support the engine. Okay, you don't want to jack it up so the wheels come off the ground, just enough so that that jack and the block is supporting that. Now we're going to move up top and remove those bolts. I'm going to start by removing this bolt here, and this bolt here. All right, we're going to switch over to a shallow socket, and we're going to go ahead and get to this back bolt. Once that starts working out, we can now switch over to the wrench and remove that bolt. Now with all three of those bolts removed, go ahead and remove this mount. Take into account the offset here, and the longer side goes towards the passenger side fender. All right. Take the new mount, line that up. Should be able to slide that into position. If you want, you could use a little mallet or something just to kind of tap that into place. While you're trying to line up the back bolt hole here, make sure that you can line up the two over here. And then go ahead and start putting your bolts in. I'm going to go ahead and start with the back one first. Line that up. Get started a few threads. I'm going to go for this side right here. Get that started a few threads, and then we'll do the same for the last one. Making sure that you have the bracket mounted the proper way. And get that started. You want to go ahead and torque these three bolts for the dog bone mount to 47 foot-pounds. We have this bolt here, and this one here. The last step you want to do is now you can go ahead and slowly release the jack and remove that from underneath the front of the vehicle.